Every day, millions of people ask ChatGPT questions. Some use it to write emails, some use it to finish homework, others use it to plan vacations. But I had a different idea. I gave ChatGPT one simple job: make me money. Not with lottery tickets, not with crypto predictions, not with some unrealistic get-rich-overnight scheme. I wanted a real business that someone with zero experience, zero audience, and almost no budget could actually build. So I opened ChatGPT and gave it one challenge. If you had to build an online business from scratch in 2026 using AI, what would you do? The answer surprised me, but it wasn't perfect. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what ChatGPT suggested, what I agreed with, what I completely disagreed with, in the business plan I'd actually follow if I were starting today. Let's begin. The first thing ChatGPT told me was something most people don't want to hear. It didn't recommend chasing 10 different side hustles. It didn't tell me to become an overnight millionaire. Instead, it said to focus on solving one real problem. That's important because most beginners spend more time looking for business ideas than actually building one. One week they're learning dropshipping, the next week they're trying affiliate marketing, then YouTube automation, then print on demand, then AI agencies. After months of jumping around, they've built nothing. ChatGPT's first lesson was simple: pick one lane, master it, then expand. I couldn't agree more. Next, ChatGPT recommended building a business around AI instead of relying on AI. There's a huge difference. Using AI doesn't make you money. Using AI to create value for other people does. Think about it. Nobody pays because you used ChatGPT. People pay because you solved a problem faster, cheaper, or better. That completely changed how I looked at AI. The tool isn't the business, the solution is. Then ChatGPT gave me 3 business models. The first was freelancing. Offer services like content writing, thumbnail design, video editing, voiceovers, social media management, or research. AI helps you finish projects faster while you focus on delivering quality. I like this because it's the fastest way to earn your first dollar online. You don't need thousands of followers, you don't need expensive software, you just need one client. The second business model was selling digital products, things like ebooks, templates, planners, Notion dashboards, Canva designs, prompt libraries, or online guides. The beauty of digital products is that you build them once and sell them over and over again. No inventory, no shipping, no warehouse, just digital files solving real problems. The third recommendation caught my attention: building a content business. That means YouTube, a blog, a newsletter, or social media. At first, this sounds like the slowest option, but it's actually the one that can unlock multiple income streams at the same time: advertising, affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsorships, courses, memberships. Instead of chasing customers every day, your content keeps attracting new people. That's incredibly powerful. But then ChatGPT made a mistake. It suggested trying all 3 business models at once: freelance, create digital products, grow YouTube. On paper, that sounds smart. In reality, it's a recipe for burnout. Imagine trying to upload videos every week, serve freelance clients, create ebooks, build a website, run social media, answer emails, all at the same time. Most people would quit within a month. So I changed the plan. If I were starting today, here's exactly what I would do. Step 1. Learn one AI tool really well. Not 20, just one. Whether it's ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut, 11 Labs, or another tool, become the person who knows how to get amazing results from that tool. Depth beats breadth, every single time. Step 2. Choose one business model. Personally, I'd start with freelancing. Why? Because it teaches valuable skills while generating cash flow. That income can fund the next stage. Step 3. Use AI to work faster than your competitors. Imagine two freelancers. One spends 6 hours writing an article, the other spends 1 hour using AI to research, organize ideas, and polish the final draft. Who earns more over time? The faster worker. AI isn't replacing you, it's multiplying your productivity. Step 4. Document the journey. This is where almost everyone misses the opportunity. Instead of building quietly, share what you're learning. Post short videos, upload YouTube content, write posts online. People love following real progress, even if you're a beginner, especially if you're honest about the process. Eventually, your audience becomes another source of income. Step 5. Create digital products based on the questions people keep asking. If everyone asks how you write proposals, create a proposal template. If everyone asks how you organize work, sell your workflow. If everyone asks for prompts, package them. Your audience tells you what to build. That's much smarter than guessing. The more I thought about ChatGPT's business plan, the more I realized something. Success with AI has very little to do with AI itself. The winners aren't using secret software, they're following simple systems consistently. Learn, build, improve, repeat. That's it. Most people quit because they're looking for instant results. They upload 2 videos, no views. They stop. They send 5 freelance proposals, no replies. They stop. They launch 1 digital product, no sales. They stop. Meanwhile, someone else keeps improving every week. 6 months later, everyone thinks that person got lucky, but what they're really seeing is consistency. So, if ChatGPT had one job, to make me money, did it succeed? I'd say yes. Not because it handed me a perfect business, but because it pointed me towards a simple framework that actually makes sense. Choose one skill, use AI to become faster, solve a real problem, build an audience while you work, turn that audience into long-term assets. That's a business, and it's a business that can continue growing long after your first sale. So if I were starting from absolute zero today, this is the roadmap I would follow. Master one AI tool, start freelancing, document everything, build an audience, create digital products, reinvest your earnings, repeat the process. No shortcuts, no magic prompts, no fake screenshots, just practical steps that anyone willing to learn can follow. Now I want to hear from you. If ChatGPT had one job to make you money, what business would you ask it to build? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every one of them, and your idea might inspire the next video. If you enjoyed this experiment and want more real-world AI business breakdowns, subscribe to AI Wealth Academy. Next time, we're taking ChatGPT's blueprint one step further and seeing whether it can actually help generate a realistic path towards consistent online income. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.